In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to contact FundedNext support. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to app.fundednext.com. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll simply just need to log into your specific account. Now from here, you'll need to see this page right here where you can see the CFDs, futures, and then all of your active accounts. Once from here, you'll need to go down to the right hand corner, and then you can see this little purple icon down here with FN and this little button, red button over here, and you just need to open it up, and then from here it should look something like this. As you can see, mine will be in Danish, but yours will be in your specific language and will work exactly the same way. So from here you'll need to go down to this little purple icon called send us a message, click on that, and then from here it should look something like this, where you can see the FundedNext AI will ask you what they can help you with, and then you just need to click on the specific one here, and if the AI can't help you, it will go over and put on a real employee of FundedNext that will then proceed to answer your question. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!